So you want to know how I'm making $7,312 every single month with faceless YouTube channel without even uploading videos anymore. Yes, you hear that right. No more filming, no more editing, no more uploads, and I'm still making $1,000 every single month. But it's completely possible, and I'm about to show you exactly how you can do the same. In this video, I'll break down the step-by-step system I use to keep my YouTube channel running on autopilot and still generate a massive passive income every month. If you are ready, make sure to watch this video until the end because I'll share with you guys everything you need, and I'll share with you which niche I'm making and I'm working on and more, okay? And let's get started. This is one of my faceless YouTube channels. I have been doing this business for over 5 years, and I have multiple faceless YouTube channels. And this channel, I didn't upload any videos for a month, okay? And this channel is still making me every single month $7,312, okay? And it's making a really some good money every single day. You guys can see some days up to $415, okay, which is really insane. Okay, I'm not uploading anymore, I'm sleeping, this channel is making money, and every day you guys can see it's making between 200 and up to $300, okay, some days up to $400. And if I scroll down, you guys can see here we don't have any videos uploaded in the last 28 days. I didn't upload any videos. So why this faceless YouTube channel is still making me money? Because guys, this channel is a search based YouTube channel. I will explain. This channel is getting views from YouTube search, okay? So let me show you an example so you can understand. This is an example of a faceless search based channel, okay? So you guys can see this channel, Insider Tish, okay? They have a lot of videos already uploaded, over 4,000 videos. This channel has 4 million subscribers. If we scroll down, you guys can see if we go to videos, the last video was uploaded 2 years ago, okay? 2 years ago, the last video was uploaded in 2 years ago. So you might think this channel is die, it's not making money anymore, they are not it's not profitable, and you are wrong, okay? Because this channel, guys, it's still monetized. You see here, if we click here on view channel state, let me show you how many views this channel is getting per month, okay? If we scroll down, if we go over here to last 30 days, okay, you guys can see that this channel in the last 30 days got 5.3 million views. For 2 years, guys, they didn't upload any video for 2 years. They are still getting over 5 million views every single month and making money every single month for 2 years. That's a passive income. And this channel is making really some good money. Let me show you. This is the channel, the same channel, Insider Chesh. If we scroll down, this channel has 5 million views in the last 28 days, almost a month, okay? This is the estimated revenue. This channel is making up to $36,000 every single month. Like, imagine making this money without no work. You don't work anymore. You are sleeping, and this channel is making money for you, okay? If I scroll down, you can see they didn't upload any videos, okay? No videos was uploaded. So it's the same system I use to run this faceless YouTube channel, guys, okay? Because I'm making videos that people are searching for, and I'm trying to get all my views from YouTube search, okay? So for example, let me show you so you can understand. So this channel, for example, here they have a lot of videos uploaded, okay? How to delete Google Photos, okay? You see this video, for example, this video, guys, can keep getting views for month or even for years, okay? For example, or like this one, how to share your location on iPhone. You guys can see this video was uploaded 2 years ago. This video is still getting 5 views per hour, and if you have a lot of videos, you can make a lot of money every single month, even if you stopped uploading on this niche, okay? Because you are trying to rank your videos high in the search results of YouTube, and you are trying to get, you need to get views. Most of your views should be from YouTube search, okay? That's exactly what I'm doing with this one, okay? with this channel over here. Okay, let me show you. If we go over here to content, you guys can see here content, how viewers find your videos. You see here 86% of my views, they are coming from YouTube search. Okay, you see this from YouTube search terms used by viewers on YouTube to find your content. Okay, so all my views, they are coming from YouTube search. From That's why I'm making every single month $7,312 because people go to YouTube, for example, like this. They search for, let me show you an example, delete how to delete Facebook account. Okay, I'll show you an example. For example, those people who search for how to delete Facebook account every single day, they will find my video here in the search results of YouTube. They will click on the video, they will watch it, they will watch ads, and I earn money. And I have a lot of videos that I already uploaded in the beginning. They are ranking good, they are getting views from YouTube search, so I keep making money every single day. Okay, like those videos. Okay, how to delete Facebook account. A lot of people every single day search for how to delete Facebook account, like this one here, ranking number 1. This video was uploaded 1 year ago, and this video is still getting 71 view per hour. Okay, which is insane. That's, for me, that's really the profitable niche that you can start with on YouTube, because it's a passive income. When you will stop uploading for a while, you will still make money. Okay, you see, if we scroll down, like this one also, how to permanently delete Facebook account. Guys, this video was uploaded 3 years ago. 3 years, and this video is still getting 97 view per hour. That's the same and the exact system I use also to run this faceless YouTube channel over here. Okay, so that's exactly how I'm making every single month $7,000 every single month with a faceless YouTube channel without uploading videos anymore. I already did a lot of work in the beginning, uploading a lot of videos, did a good SEO, good keyword research to rank those videos high in search results of YouTube, so I can keep getting views from YouTube search. And if I stop uploading, those videos will keep getting views, keep making me money. Okay, like this channel exactly, Insider Tech. They didn't upload any videos for 2 years, they are still getting views every single day and making money every single day from those videos they already uploaded in the beginning. Okay, that these niches are very powerful, guys. Okay, it's really amazing, it's profitable. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you want to learn more about this business and you want me to make a detailed YouTube video about this, please comment in this video. Just comment YouTube automation and I will make a videos about this niche and sharing with you how we can start step by step, how we can do keyword research, how we can choose good topics that will rank, how we can do good SEO for your videos to rank your videos, and more. And if you guys want, if for people who are interested, I do also provide coaching services. If you are interested to start a profitable faceless YouTube channel, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos.